Hey, what's going on, guys? Connor with MarineMax. Wanted to bring you guys out to the water to check out this beautiful 2026 Scout 240 XSF in the beautiful Alpine white. Try to tell me another better looking boat. This thing is absolutely beautiful, especially paired up to the 300 horsepower outboard. You cannot beat it. Let's jump on the inside and check it out. All right, guys, now on board the Scout 240, starting back here in the stern. For one, we have the 300 horsepower Mercury with the exhaust closed off. So super, super quiet back here. We can entertain, hang out with our guests, or just get some fish going and not have to worry about bothering them. And right now, we have this guy set up for the leisure mode, is what I like to call it, where we can sit back here, entertain, be comfortable. But if I know that I have a fish on the line and I want to go ahead and turn this into an easy spot to catch them, fold that seat away and I'm ready to rock and roll. I got my live well right over here on the port side, tons of rod holders, not only back here, but we do also have the 4 rocket launchers and the 4 extra on the back of the lean-to post. So lots of fishing can be done here, but also entertaining at the same time. So it makes a lot of sense and easy to maneuver the boat around. Now going over to our lean-to post. Guys, this is really where this boat starts getting absolutely elegant and beautiful. The stitching on the seat here, how comfortable this is. The soft touch of the leather is unbelievable. Not only that, you got a really nice flip-up bolster that really allows you to get nice and close to the steering wheel, but also have a ton of control right here. Or if you do want to actually sit on this lean-to post, you can do so and be comfortable. This footrest right here is actually in a great spot and I can still reach all of my controls. So it's not only beautiful, but it actually works. So that is a huge, huge piece for me. Then you can see we got all of our switch panel right here. Super easy to operate, all the lighting systems, our bait wells, the washdown for raw water or fresh, everything's right there. And then, guys, check this out. We got Seakeeper Ride on this boat. You have to do nothing for this thing to ride amazing. All you do is push down the throttle, let Seakeeper Ride do the work, and it's amazing. So you'll see some shots of that here in a little bit. But now as we go to the bow, over to the T-top area, guys, check this out. If you're out on the water all day long, sometimes you do need to get out of the sun, you know, relieve yourself if you need to, and it is very, very easy to do that. I'll give you guys a little example here. I'm about 5'10". I can easily go into this bathroom here and sit upright and feel not claustrophobic at all. It's actually pretty shocking. All right, and then, of course, one of the most enjoyable places to lounge and relax at, especially on Scout, is up here in the bow. We have an amazing T-top little resting area here. So very long seating, super comfortable, armrests that are fixed in place. These do not fold, so they're a very good spot to hold on to for security. Then we got some great storage underneath where we can throw fenders or, you know, excess storage for your table leg and whatnot. And then up here in the bow, we got our teak table, we got our JL Audio speakers, we got our backrests, and all we have is the water in front of us and just a great time out here. And even some rod holders. So in case you do want to actually enjoy the boat with the rest of the fishermen, or if you just want to sit here and enjoy yourself, you can do a little bit of each. So anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed this boat as much as I did. Definitely check out some shots of it running with the Seakeeper Ride. Absolutely beautiful running boat. Thank you guys for watching.